Ensure the switch and water tank cover are correctly aligned during installation. First, insert one side of the switch mounting shaft into the circular hole on the bracket. Then insert the mounting shaft on the opposite side of the switch into the circular hole on the bracket, ensuring proper alignment and allowing free rotation. The installation of the water level detection switch is complete. After the unit is powered on, all indicator lights will briefly illuminate once, and the unit will then enter standby mode. Press the power button once to turn on the unit. The default mode is L2 and the light is on by default. Press the mode button to switch the dehumidify mode. On the first press, the unit switches to low dehumidify mode, in which the light turns off and L1 is displayed on the screen for 3 seconds with the sleep mode indicator lighting up. On the second press, the unit operates in L2. The light in the water tank is lighted by default. Press the light button to turn the light on or off. Press the timer button to set the timer. The available time settings are 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24 hours. The selected time will be displayed on the screen, and after 3 seconds, the display will switch back to the dehumidify level, with the H indicator lighting up. Press and hold the timer button to cancel the current timer. Press the power button again to turn off the unit. When the water tank is full, the unit stops and emits a beep beep sound. The water full indicator lights up, and the tank light turns red. The unit resumes normal operation after the tank is emptied. Before emptying the water or cleaning the water tank, turn off the unit and unplug the power cord. Pull out the water tank, remove the top cover, empty the water, clean the inside of the tank with a damp cloth. Place the top cover back in position, then slide the water tank back into place.